YON WORLD, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out today on my YouTube channel. I'm about to count out $6,000 in all blue hundreds, all new hundreds. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy YON WORLD. Now, today on my channel, I decided to make another money video for everybody out there for visualization purposes, man. If you want to know how $6,000 look in all blue hundreds, and you know, energy attracts energy, man. Y'all got to understand, we live in an energetic universe. Energy is being transmitted to you through this video. And when you understand this world, you know, not in a religious way, but a more spiritual way through sound, frequency, and vibration, like even the fact you able to view this video through a phone, a lot of light and sound and vibration is all happening to make this video happen. And when you understand how these forces of nature affect us, you know, this can help you manifest in this world. So what I want to do, I just want to show y'all, you know, just for people, you know, who haven't seen it or who haven't had this much money in their hand at once, how $6,000 look. This video is for visualization purposes only. These are all new hundreds, everyone, you know, certified, official, United States, from the feds, the Federal Reserve, you know. So what we about to do is we about to count out $6,000 in blue hundreds just to give y'all a visualization of this money right here. Now y'all see, when you have hundreds, the blue strip go all the way through. You know, when you have a bunch of hundreds, you will be able to see that blue strip when you have them all lined up. So we about to do this for y'all. Let's count this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, simple math, 10 hundreds is $1,000. So that's $1,000 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's $2,000 right there. $2,000. $2,000. Let's just put that. Let's lay them side by side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's $3,000 right here. $3,000 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's $4,000 right here on the table. We got $4,000 in hundreds. $4,000 in hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 5,000 in hundreds. We got some old hundreds in here too. It's 5,000 in hundreds. Last rack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $6,000. $6,000 in new blue hundreds for visualization purposes, man. Now, like I stated earlier in the video, everything is energy. Even right now, energy is being transmitted, you know, through the form of sound, light, and vibration through this video. You listen with headphones, you will be able to hear vibration. You got a quality enough phone, you will hear the vibration. You can see the light through the images. And y'all gotta know, man, if you can get it in your mind, you can have it in your hand, man. It was times where, you know, I had to visualize and I had to use mantras, and I'll do a lot of practices to invoke my blessings. You know, I am proactive when it comes to me receiving out in this universe, and I'm always looking for alternative ways, you know, not only to heal myself, but just to relearn how this universe really works, because you will be surprised, like, the forces of nature and, you know, how sound and vibration and frequency responds. You know, even if you were to meditate I use a Lakshmi mantra every morning. And Lakshmi is a Hindu goddess. And I know a lot of people look at Hindu culture sometimes and they think Hindu culture isn't real, but Hindu culture is very real. Even though it's so mystical and magical, it was very real. They left plenty of temples throughout throughout Sri Lanka. They left plenty of temples and tombs and artifacts throughout Sri Lanka and all throughout India and all throughout ancient India. And one thing they understood was how sound and vibration, influence your reality. So one thing I like to do is every day when, I'm about to take a shower in the morning, I listen to this mantra. And I do this intentionally, when I'm about to take a shower, because sound influences water, right? And the water in our body, we have, 75% water makeup of our body. The sounds you play influence the biology, of you. And, I just look at it as when I play the wealth mantra while in the shower, I'm triggering the water. I use the acoustics in the sink. If you place your phone in the sink, sound actually gets louder. Y'all got to learn about sound and vibration and how it affects the world and how it can attract more money. Like, I attracted money into my life. Obviously, I apply myself, but my method, I get my money from the internet. Like, all of this came from the internet. Me applying myself on the internet, and I use alternate ways to enhance my pool out here. So yeah, that's just my belief in my manifesto on money. But yeah, I just want y'all to see, man. I want y'all to visualize and know you could have this too, man. This is nothing. This is nothing. Somebody just made this. Somebody just made this in one day. And they made it yesterday. And they made it the day before that. Millionaires making 3 racks a day. There's people making $5,000 a day just on YouTube, man. So this is nothing. I just want y'all to, have greater goals than this, but still just understand you can achieve this. Don't ever, allow your mind to set limits, because you truly are limitless. The only thing that truly holds us back is our beliefs. Do you really believe you can have $6,000? If so, you can see it. You can get this, man. Just go back to all of my videos, man. I inspire people. I record my entire journey so y'all can see. But let's do this one more time. Let's just count it out fast. Count up to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 48, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. $6,000, all blue hundreds, man. You can see it in your mind, you can have it in your hand, man. I wish I came across people that could teach me everything I had to learn, But if y'all could learn how the universe works in sound vibration, man, this video is more powerful than you could imagine, man. So, yeah. It's your boy YON WORLD. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let me know how much y'all want me to count next. We counted 5,000 on camera. Now we counted 6,000 in all blue hundreds. I think I'm gonna do 10,000 next, based on the comments. So let me know what y'all think in the comments, and we're gonna make it happen on YON WORLD. So it's your boy YON WORLD. Know money is energy, man. Money is energy. All forms of currency. You know, you have an energetic currency within your body. You up the energetic frequency within your body. You know, you would notice how this stuff gets attracted to you. You know, this stuff does get attracted to you, and you can put yourself in position. You can, you know, become aware of more opportunities and alternate ways to make this stuff. You know, like I said, all of this came from the internet, man. We're going through a pandemic. All of this came through the internet, man. So, and if you young, any age, man, if you want to learn something, figure out this internet, man. So, it's your boy Yon World. Let's spread this all out for the one time. Just to give y'all a full spectrum visualization so y'all can see it all on the table. Yeah. It's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Just counted out $6,000. All blue hundreds. Couple old faces in here. But all blue hundreds, $6,000. Make sure y'all leave a like. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We dropping daily motivational videos every day. Reaction videos, informative videos, spiritual videos. Everything is on Yon World, man. We are not limited. And we are continuing to expand the brand, the mindset, and, you know, just culture in general. So, it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.